Welcome to Khatta Meeta Stories. Today let's try some omelette recipes. If you enjoy the video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started.
Here I have taken 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt, turmeric, chili powder and garam masala to your taste. I personally add the masala packets we get with the noodles. Mix thoroughly using a spoon, and if you want to save effort, use a beater. Of course, you'll end up washing the beater later. Take a pan and heat it. I am using a cast iron pan here as it's a healthier option than the non-stick pans. Add a spoon of butter and allow it to just melt and tilt the pan to spread it. This will help us later to flip the omelette better. Add cheese slice, split into 3 to 4 pieces and cover the pan with a lid. After a few minutes, flip the omelette and allow to cook for 2 minutes. Your cheese omelette is ready now. Take 2 egg white separately and beat it till it becomes stiff. Separately, add salt, masala, turmeric and a dash of milk to your egg yolk and beat well. Fold in the previously beaten egg white into the bowl of beaten egg yolk. Add butter to the pan, and as soon as it has melted, transfer the mixed content into the pan and without disturbing to ensure that it is well spread. Cover with a lid and allow to cook for a few minutes. Once the bottom is cooked, fold the egg and allow to cook both sides. Your fluffy, yummy omelette is ready.